Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your GroupMe account. For that, first of all, open up your GroupMe app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged in to your account. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left of your screen. Then tap on your profile picture. Now scroll all the way down and there you'll see the option of Delete GroupMe Account. Tap on it. If you delete your account, all content associated with your account will be deleted from your device and you will not be able to log into your account. If you are sure you want to delete your account, tap on Continue. To verify your identity, enter your GroupMe's password, and when you are done, tap on the blue tab that says Continue. Your request to delete your account has been registered and is scheduled to take place in 2 days. This way you can delete your GroupMe account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.